Well, hello, I'm the Rifter, and I'll show you how to take out a fan motor on a 2011 Ford Escape. I originally thought that the motor was bad. Turns out there was a mouse stuck in it. Well, we thought the fan motor was bad, but turns out it was this little guy in there. My Uncle Gary here, well, not my uncle, someone's uncle, said I should show you how to take this thing off. So you have this little cannon, well, I call them cannon plugs, but there's a tab on the back side. I can't get the camera around there. You squeeze and pull that out. And then this thing, there's two tabs right here. You squeeze in. But there's those tabs that you squeeze in right here. Pull that down and turn this counterclockwise. Pull down. That is your fan motor. You can kind of still see the mouse fur in there somewhere. But if your motor's running rough, oh yeah, there's some nice mouse fur. But if your motor's running rough, you probably got a mouse or something hung up in there. Don't buy a new motor until you just take it out and clean it. It smells a lot better than it did. There we go. It wasn't in. All right, test this thing out, make sure it's not yeah, when it was on full blast, it was going because it kept hitting the mouse, so
it smelled disgusting.
Yeah. Now it just smells like vanilla because I sprayed vanilla in here.
Thank you, the Rifter.
Yeah. Like and share for more house cleaning tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.